Shakshi, you are part of BIN IIW. You sponsored today's program. And what did you think about today's organized Inspiring Awards?
Oh, it was brilliant. As usual, every year, it's the fourth year now, Inspiring Indian Women organizes this Inspiring India, She Inspires Award. And this year, She Inspire Awards 2020 was brilliant. And the kind of people who are getting the awards are really commendable.
Absolutely.
And the hard work done by the team IIW, Rashmi Mishra and everybody, it's really very good.
It's amazing. So many inspirational stories, especially the little ones.
I know, right?
Not especially, but because they're so young, it's extra special. I think it was George Benson, the American singer, said, "I believe that children are our future.
Absolutely true.
Treat them well and let them lead the way."
I must say it was very well organized by Indian Inspiring Women. And I'm really honored to judge these ladies who are absolutely amazing.
Phenomenal.
How did you find She Inspire Awards?
The evening was beautiful and we are very honored and privileged to be a part of it. The awards were brilliant.
It was awesome and we had a great time and really honored and privileged to be a part of She Inspires Award.
I hope you had a nice evening. And what did you find good about She Inspire Awards?
It's a great platform for the women, actually, and I'm so happy that Kaina has won the award. Basically, as you know, the history of Kaina, she's a cancer survivor, and it's a great opportunity that they have recognized her, and she's a brilliant artist, and it's very motivating for her. Actually, she's been asking me why I've been awarded, so I've been telling her because you've been very brave and you are a brilliant artist. That's it.
Yes. Hi Monica, I would like to congratulate you on your award. I just wanted to check, how did you find the evening today?
First of all, thank you so much. Like, the evening was amazing, inspirational, motivational. Like, seeing different kinds of women working in different sectors is a wonderful feeling. I'm myself associated with education sector, and I realize how important is education, especially for women, young women and girls. And it was tremendous to
Is there any message that you would like to give to girls back at home in rural India on International Women's Day?
One thing that I would like to say, especially for girls in rural India, just have confidence that you are beautiful in your own way. What you have, many of us don't have. You have enough potential to bring a significant change in the society that you live in, and just believe in yourself and have that confidence. You'll rock, definitely.
How was your evening today?
The evening was an amazing evening. This evening actually not only inspired us, but it gave us a lot of motivation. And also, looking at the young children, the things what they are doing, they motivated us. And that was a very beautiful thing what happened this evening. And I really enjoyed and, got to see so many women growing up in their life. They have gone through so much in their life and, they inspired us so much.
Is there any message that you would like to give on International Women's Day to the women who are associated with Inspiring Indian Women?
Yes, of course. To give a message to any woman, we don't need a Women's Day. Every day is a Women's Day. So you have to just live your life, live your dreams, do things what you like to do it, and what makes you happy. So that is the thing what first needs to be inspired to yourself. So you need to grow up first, and then you again motivate and inspire the other women in the society.
Hi, we are here to celebrate today Inspiring Women India's award, and it's on actually for the celebration of Women's Day, and we had quite a kind of a blissful day today. And after the work, we came and we saw some of the unbelievable, inspiring women here. And I'm so privileged to be part of this IIW, and I hope it keeps going and it keeps doing what they're doing and inspire everyone. And thanks IIW for making me part of it. Thank you.
We have Minal Jaiswal today. She is a community leader. She's created a group in London, and she's helping the Indian community in London and extended to the UK. How are you feeling, Minal, today?
Great. It was fantastic seeing so many inspiring stories, so many wonderful ladies doing excellent in their own chosen field. So yeah, I'm really, really pleasantly surprised to see, from small children to moms, super moms of 80, fantastic Indian diaspora doing so well in a foreign country, so amazing.
Any message that you would like to give to inspiring Indian women way back in India?
So, to the women in India, you are basically the Shaktis. आप में इतनी पोटेंशियल है, शक्ति है कि जब आप बुरा वक्त आता है तब आप बाहर जाके पूरा घर संभाल सकते हो, और पूरा घर संभालते भी हो, आप बच्चों को संभालते हो, आप प्रोफेशनली जाके बाहर काम करते हो. पीपल लाइक इंदिरा गांधी जो पूरा देश संभालते हैं. सो इंडियन वुमेन आर अमेजिंग वेर एवर दे गो, विच एवर कंट्री.